Lymphoma is the fifth most common type of cancer in the UK, and understanding the signs and symptoms is crucial for early detection and timely treatment. The disease starts in the lymphatic system, which comprises of the lymph nodes, spleen, thymus gland, and bone marrow. It plays a vital role in our body's defense mechanism against germs. Lymphoma can therefore manifest in these areas of the body as well as other organs. However, it's important to note symptoms may vary depending on the type of lymphoma. Non-Hodgkin lymphoma, Hodgkin lymphoma, and mantle cell lymphoma each present unique indicators. Additionally, not everyone will experience all the listed symptoms, and some individuals may not exhibit any at all. While most people with these symptoms won't have lymphoma, it is crucial to seek medical advice promptly if any unexplained symptom persists or deviates from your usual health pattern. According to Blood Cancer UK, symptoms can include swollen glands. Look for swelling in the neck, armpit, groin area, or any other region where you have lymph nodes. Typically, these swollen glands are painless. Extreme tiredness, persistent fatigue that doesn't subside even after adequate rest is a common symptom of lymphoma. Chest pain or cough. If you experience chest pain or a persistent cough, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Breathlessness and swelling. Difficulty breathing and swelling in the chest should not be ignored, as they may indicate lymphoma. Abdominal discomfort, feeling uncomfortably full or experiencing nausea due to swelling in the stomach area could be a sign of lymphoma. Itching, unexplained itching, especially if it persists, should be brought to the attention of a medical professional. Bone pain, persistent bone pain, without any apparent cause, could be an indicator of lymphoma. Skin changes. Keep an eye out for unexplained skin rashes or lumps that don't disappear over time. Frequent infections or bleeding. If you find yourself experiencing recurrent infections or unexplained bleeding or bruising, it's important to seek medical advice. For individuals with Waldenstrom macroglobulinemia, a specific type of lymphoma, additional symptoms to watch for include headaches and dizziness, confusion, nosebleeds, blurred vision, kidney problems, numbness in the legs and feet. If you notice any persistent signs or symptoms that concern you, it is crucial to make an appointment with your doctor. This article was crafted with the help of AI tools, which speed up Express.co.uk's editorial research. A news editor reviewed this content before it was published. You can report any errors to reader complaints at reachblock.com.